Second problem, show that sin 3 theta is equal to 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. Now sin 3 theta is the imaginary part of cos theta plus I sin theta whole cube, which is equal to imaginary part of cos 3 theta plus I sin 3 theta. Now by using the expansion of sin n theta formula, we can write sin 3 theta is equal to 3c1 cos square theta into sin theta minus 3c3 into sin cube theta, just by using this formula. Now 3c1 is 3, therefore this value is equal to 3 cos square theta into sin theta minus 3c3 is 1, therefore sin cube, which is equal to 3 cos square theta means 1 minus sin square theta. Therefore 3 into 1 minus sin square theta into sin theta minus sin cube theta. Just by simplifying this one, you will get sin 3 theta is equal to 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. Now third problem, express tan 4 theta in terms of tan theta. So we have tan 4 theta is nothing but sin 4 theta divided by cos 4 theta. Again sin 4 theta is the imaginary part of cos theta plus I sin theta whole power 4, and cos 4 theta is the real part of cos theta plus I sin theta whole power 4. Now expansion of sin 4 theta, using this formula we will get 4c1 into cos cube theta into sin theta minus 4c3 cos theta into sin cube theta. Then expansion of cos 4 theta is 4c0 into cos power theta minus 4c2 cos square theta into sin square theta plus 4c4 sin power 4 theta. And again this value is equal to 4 cos cube theta into sin theta minus 4 cos theta into sin cube theta divided by cos power 4 theta minus 6 cos square theta into sin square theta plus sin power 4 theta. Now for this value, divide numerator and denominator by cos power 4 theta. So we get, if you divide this by cos power 4 theta, you will get sin theta by cos theta minus 4 sin cube theta divided by cos cube theta divided by 1 minus 6 into sin square theta divided by cos square theta plus sin power 4 theta divided by cos power 4 theta. So sin theta by cos theta means tan theta. Therefore tan power 4 theta is equal to 4 tan theta minus 4 tan cube theta divided by 1 minus 6 tan square theta plus tan power 4 theta. So this is the expansion of tan 4 theta in terms of tan theta. Fourth problem, expand sin 6 theta divided by cos theta has a series in powers of sin theta, and hence deduce the expansion of sin 6 theta divided by sin theta in powers of cos theta. Firstly find out expansion of sin 6 theta, then divide whole thing by cos theta. So sin 6 theta means imaginary part of cos theta plus I sin theta whole power 6. Now by using this formula, sin 6 theta is equal to 6c1 cos power 5 theta into sin theta minus 6c3 into cos cube theta into sin cube theta plus 6c5 into cos theta into sin power 5 theta. And again this value is equal to 6 cos power 5 theta into sin theta minus 20 cos cube theta into sin cube theta plus 6 cos theta into sin power 5 theta. Now for this value divide by cos theta. So what you will get? 6 cos power 4 theta into sin theta minus 20 cos square theta into sin cube theta plus 6 into sin power 5 theta. Now this cos power 4 theta can be written as cos square theta into whole square. So therefore this value is equal to 6 into 1 minus sin square theta, because cos square theta can be written as 1 minus sin square theta whole square into sin theta minus 20 into cos square theta means 1 minus sin square theta into sin cube theta plus 6 into sin power 5 theta. Now by using a minus b whole square formula, this will be equal to 6 into 1 minus 2 sin square theta plus sin power 4 theta into sin theta minus 20 sin cube theta plus 20 sin power 5 theta plus 6 into sin power 5 theta. Now just by simplifying this one, you will get answer is equal to 32 sin power 5 theta minus 32 sin cube theta plus 6 sin theta. This is the expansion of sin theta by cos theta. And they also said that you have to deduce this one to sin 6 theta divided by sin theta. So for that you have to change cos theta to sin theta. For that you change theta to pi by 2 minus theta. So by changing theta to pi by 2 minus theta, you will get, in place of theta you put pi by 2 minus theta. Therefore, so here 6 theta is there. Therefore 6 into pi minus 2 pi by 2 minus theta, which is equal to 6 pi by 2 minus 6 theta, which is equal to 3 pi minus 6 theta. Therefore sin of 3 pi minus 6 theta divided by cos of pi by 2 minus theta. So which is equal to 32 into sin power 5 of pi by 2 minus theta minus 32 sin cube of pi by 2 minus theta plus 6 into sin of pi by 2 minus theta. This sin of 3 pi minus 6 theta, here sin does not changes because this lies in the third quadrant. Here sin theta is positive. Therefore sin of 6 theta you will get. Here you have cos of pi by 2 minus theta. Since we have pi by 2, cos changes to sin. Therefore sin of theta. And since pi by 2 minus theta lies in first quadrant, here all the values are positive. Therefore this value remains positive. Sin does not changes here. Lastly we will get sin 6 theta divided by sin theta is equal to 32 into cos power 5 theta minus 32 into cos cube theta plus 6 into cos theta.